If you have a rug or you're looking for one, you may be asking yourself, how can I make this last for years? Rugs are a significant investment, and taking care of them properly is the key to protecting that investment. I'm Lindsay, a home solution specialist at the Furniture Mall, and in this video, I'm going to share with you proven strategies to help your rug stand the test of time. From cleaning tips to maintenance routines, I've got you covered. So let's get started. The first step in caring for your rug is knowing what type of rug you have. Generally, there are two main types of rugs, synthetic and natural. Synthetic rugs are durable and easier to clean and require less maintenance, while natural rugs are more luxurious but need specialized care. Let's break these down further, starting with synthetic rugs. Synthetic rugs could be made out of materials like polyester, polypropylene, nylon, or acrylic, and maintenance is pretty straightforward. All you need is water and clear dish soap for cleaning spills. Start by drying the area to remove any liquid, clearing away debris, applying the soap mixture, and gently scrubbing with a clean cloth. If you're vacuuming a synthetic rug, understand the pile height is essential. The pile refers to the height of the rug's fibers. If your rug's pile is under ½ inch, you can vacuum it normally. If it's over ½ inch, use the tube extension to avoid damaging the fibers. For larger rugs, a wider attachment can save some time. And one final tip, always lift up the vacuum hose when you're moving it instead of dragging it. This prevents unnecessary wear and tear. And this method also applies to natural rugs, which we'll discuss next. Natural rugs are going to include materials like wool, jute, sisal, or cotton. Natural rugs are beautiful and luxurious, but they do require extra care. For cleaning, you want to stick to a dry shampoo. To clean, you're going to follow these steps. Dry the affected area and remove any debris, and then sprinkle the dry shampoo and let it rest in the fibers. Gently vacuum with the hose attachment only. Because natural rugs are made with higher quality materials, they are more prone to damage if they're mishandled. Always refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for specific care instructions. And if you have questions, reach out to a home solutions specialist like me for tailored advice. Proper maintenance is just as important as cleaning. Rotate your rug every 3 months to ensure even aging and wear. Additionally, shake out your rug every couple of weeks to remove any dirt and debris, and this will keep it fresh. If you have kids, pets, or you host a lot, synthetic rugs might be a better option for you since they handle stains and wear and tear way more effectively. On the other hand, if you appreciate high-quality materials and you don't mind putting in a little extra effort for maintenance, a natural rug might be your perfect choice. Now that you know how to extend the life of your rug, it's time to explore how to care for your other furniture. Check out our other videos on cleaning wood, leather, and fabric. Have questions about your furniture? Stop by one of our locations or contact us. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and oh yeah!